Curry puffs is sold at 80 cents each. For every 3 curry puffs, Mrs. Lim can buy 1 more at a discount of 50%. If Mrs. Lim has $50, how many curry puffs can she buy? So of course, if you're Mrs. Lim, you'll try and buy 3 curry puffs and get that 4th one at a 50% discount, right? So what is the cost of one such group of curry puffs? 3 puffs, usual cost, plus 1 discounted one, right? You'll try your best to maximize this number of sets of this that you can buy. Okay? So the cost of the 4th curry puff at a 50% discount, what is that? 100% original, take away 50% discount. You only have to pay half the price, okay? So what's 50% off 1 curry puff's price? The 4th one, you only pay 40 cents. So what is the cost of 1 set? Huh? This is 1 set. Yeah. 1 set, okay? So that will be 3 multiplied by the cost of each plus the discounted guy. So 240 plus 40 cents, 280. Okay, so you'll try and buy as many of these $2.80 sets as possible. So next thing is number of sets. So we have $50 to work with. Divide this by 280. Okay. 50 divided by 280. That's like 17.8. So maximum you can buy only 17 sets. Okay, so the cost of 17 sets is 17 times 280. That will be $47.60. So there will be some spare money, right? So $50 minus 47.6. You get 240. Now this $2.40 you cannot buy a set already, not enough money. But you can buy individual curry puffs. You can buy 3 individual curry puffs because each of it is 80 cents, right? So 240 divided by 80 cents is 3 individual curry puffs. So what's the total puffs that you can buy? 17 sets. So 17 sets. 17 times 4. Okay, because each set has 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. And then you plus that 3 individual curry puffs that you bought. So the answer will be 71 curry puffs. It's quite a lot of curry puffs to eat. Okay, perhaps it's for a party. Okay, anyways, 71 curry puffs is the answer for this question.